Too late nights dancing my laser. Could get used to long drives.
Roll up to the greatest show in the world.
Lights, camera, action!
Good morning. We're at the Falkirk Tunnel. Falkirk Canal Tunnel it's called. It's a free car park. We're going to go find the tunnel. It's on Salamanan Road, but I want to show you the view from here, guys, because it's amazing. Look at that. What a cracking view. Amazing. And it's free parking. We did take up 2 bays, but it's free anyway, so don't know what Gareth's doing. But I'm ready to rock and roll. It's not even that cold today. Snow's all washed away from overnight. So, yeah. Let's go find this tunnel.
Hey Pughs on Tour YouTube family! If you're loving the content, here's a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Your support means the world to us.
And this is the car park, guys. And it's free. Now, it doesn't say anywhere in here, but it does say online this is day parking only. But it doesn't actually say that anywhere in the car park. So I'm going to pass you to Gareth because we're going downhill and it's still a bit icy. I don't want to slip.
It's not icy. It's just you. Yeah, I'm dodging ice. So we're about 2 miles away from Falkirk Wheel. And we're going down here somewhere. Plenty of walks. Yeah, we could walk to Glasgow from here, 28 miles. Edinburgh. Falkirk Wheel, 2 mile. That way, if you fancy the walk. It says we can walk to Glasgow and Edinburgh from here.
Oh, yeah. You don't put the cap.
Caution, trip hazards, narrow path, cyclists dismount. And we found this tunnel. So we're gonna go through a tunnel. This is where the canal boats come down, all the way from the Falkirk Wheel, which is down there.
2 miles down there.
And then it goes down here. I can hear running water over there. So I believe you can walk through this tunnel. And if you ever see this footage, we've got evidence on camera that we entered a tunnel. So when someone comes fishing magneting, you know, roughly come fishing magnet round here. I know, you missed it, you forgot your magnet, hadn't you? Under this bridge as well. We're getting closer. I don't know what's in it. Oh, this rock. You know, you can't eat it. Sounds like they've built it into a cliff. Oh no, it's dripping like hell. It's dripping like hell. Oh no. Can you hear it? It's leaking like hell. Yeah. I'll let you go first. And if you fall. It's weird, isn't it? Look at rock. Hey, we got a leak. Well, we come under here. It is a cave, isn't it? Look at that, it's leaking.
I think there's an hole.
Yeah, the barge is going to get wet coming through here. I think it might be a bit dark on camera. Yeah, look at me. Let me put my light on. I got my light on. A bit more light in it. You can see where they've done rock, can't you see it? dodgy coming through here, isn't it? All the walls are wet as well. Look at it. It is. It's all wet. I guess you got a leak on your head. There's a big hole up there. Wow. There's a big hole. Oh, dripped on my head. It is drier, isn't it, on walls? I can see it now, look. Well, it's a bit wet. But this is great coming from barge.
This is half a mile, I think it's long.
Half a mile.
I'll double check when I get back.
I can see end.
Yeah,
This is entertaining footage, isn't it? Walking through a tunnel. Following you. In the dark. It should pick some up on camera because I can see it through camera a little bit. We've got some more leaks. Look at the hole in it. I know, that was dripping on your head. Isn't that weird? Big hole, just hit rock. It's getting a bit lighter up here. I'm glad you're going first. You can get the drips first. It is a cave, isn't it? Well, it don't look like one of them machines, does it? Because the walls are round. You know, like they do in France and Spain. In France and Spain, they use that machine, don't they? A diamond thing on. Hull borer or something. You know, like England, they just go over mountains. Not like the, you know, Spain and France, where they just think, oh, there's an hill there, let's go straight through it. Look at these. I'm getting dripped on like hell here. I'm getting dripped on, should have brought a brolly. No, I've got my hoodie on. Oh, we've got proper brick now. It's dry here. Must have been under a mountain or something. Or a hill. I don't know what's above here. Yeah, it's getting roundish now. This has got to have been done by a pick. Have you done some research on this place?
absolutely not. I've got all the race for the end of the video. I'll have a look through the
Yeah. When we get back to the van, you'll have to. Yeah, this is man-made. This one, isn't it? This is cool, isn't it? Yeah, I'll have to put some research on the end of this video.
I will. Do some research, so we'll know what to the next destination is. Do a bit of carry on video.
Seeing that, you do research and I'll just put it on bit by bit throughout the video. Might not get a bit boring just walking through. Oh, it's well dry now, isn't it?
Getting wet again, man.
Wonder what's at the other end. It's weird. Look at it. That's one end. And that's the other end. It's a bit darkish down this way. I keep expecting, looking at wall, thinking I'm going to see caveman paintings or something. You hear it dripping like hell. You see it on camera, just dripping like hell. Yeah. Oh, guess me, we've got to walk back same way. Crazy. Weird, isn't it? It's just a cobbly road we're walking on. Well, path or whatever it is. Path.
I think you get a wheelchair down here.
Yeah, you will get a wheelchair down here.
Oh, come down.
Been walking this 9 minutes. Yeah. Getting brighter. I can see the end. Yeah, this is definitely man-made. It's not machine. This.
There was bits in the middle where it looks man-made.
Yeah.
Or reinforced, but this looks like they've just chiseled in a rock.
It looks like hammer and chisel, doesn't it? Or dynamite.
Looks like a gravestone, huh?
Don't know what that is.
You don't go very fast barges, do they?
With what?
Barges. We've got a barge with cats on, presumably.
Yeah, if a barge come through, yeah. That would have been good footage. Might be a different way back. Yeah, turn me.
Listen to the voices. Do we think people live above it in houses and stuff?
I don't know.
Because if you don't look in, I can hear voices.
Probably someone behind us. Doing the same thing. Yeah, it looks handmade, this bit, doesn't it? Well, looks like it's been made up this end. The side walls are original. You can see them. And then the rock here looks like it's blasted out with dynamite. Is it dripping? That's it, we're out. And we're out.
That was cool, wasn't it?
That was good. Well, that's the first, isn't it? Going through a tunnel like that. Usually drive through 'em. That sun's coming out today. Right, somehow we've got to find his way back. Look at ice on that. It's covered in ice. There they are. 2 deers right there. See them?
Can you see it?
Yeah.
It's up the hill.
Wild ones.
Wow.
Oh, there's one. There's the other one. Yeah.
How cute.
Good old Bambi.
Look at that.
They can hear us, they don't know where they are.
Can you see over there? I'm going to get Gareth to zoom in case you can't. They've put rubber ducks on the wall. I don't know, they've got them over there. These little baby rubber ducks on the wall over there in the cracks. I've got no clue how they've got them over there. Just going to record a little bit walking back, guys, because I'm not sure if it's the direction of the lights or what, but it seems lighter walking back. How bizarre is that? Seen a what? You better not have done. Are you lying? It's gone dark again now, hasn't it? I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, guys, but look how cool that looks. There's a giraffe as well, guys, on top of the light. They've definitely got to have been put there by the people on the barges.
Can I get a hey ya?
Look at this. There's a coming down here on a push bike. I'm going to record him. There's no push bikes allowed in here. I'll even show you the sign. So if you know this clown is, name and shame him. Yeah. Didn't even attempt to get off his bike. Dear me. You are? It does? It says it's a no cyclist route. It literally says that. This looks like all crystallised, guys. It looks sick. It's so bizarre, guys, because coming back down, the lighting's very different walking back down this way than it is the other. How bizarre. Don't want to risk taking the shortcut. We gotta go that way. Should we go up this way? If I slip though, it's going to be Gareth's fault because I'm following him. I've got my stick though, guys. Wow, that's some brisk wind coming. Ooh, I survived. So I'm going to turn you off now I'm going to go in the motorhome and put my kettle on to make a travel brew, because we've got about an hour's drive, I think, from here, at least. Then, I'm going to give you some facts. So, guys, I did look at the facts like I said I would. Fact number 1. The Falkirk tunnel is 630 metres in length, one way.
It says here, right, exactly 200 years ago, right, hard-working navvies under Prospect Hill dug it out with hand tools and sticks of dynamite.
Now, they made the tunnel because the landowner at the time of Calendar House, so my battery died. So like I was saying, William Forbes didn't want it overland, because if they put the canal overland where they originally wanted to put it, it would have ruined his view, he said, from his house. And he won the battle, and that's why they went underground for it. Now, Gareth's got a little bit more info on that.
It did. It says here online, the story began in 1813 when the engineer Hugh Braid produced a plan of the waterway between Edinburgh and Falkirk, but the proposed route upset the formidable William Forbes of Calendar House, Falkirk's richest and most powerful landowner.
So, guys, that's why the tunnel was made.
Yeah.
And why wouldn't you want a canal in your view? Watching boats going by, I think that'd be cool, myself personally.
I know why.
Come on.
He was annoyed that the canal would pass quite close to the house and that the passengers would be able to gaze down his private gardens. He kicked up such a row and he had so many powerful friends, it was just easier just to build under.
Same old. People with money always get in the way. Simple as that, but guys, let me see if I can find out else. I'll let you know. The only other thing we managed to find out was that actually 5 years after William Forbes died, passed away. So at least you've got a little bit of information. That Gareth's got something else for you. Wait a minute. You're very lucky today, people.
I am. And the canal was completed in 1822, and they used to use that to go back from Edinburgh to Falkirk, transporting stuff.
All right,
Because
okay.
it was quicker to go down the canal.
Straight down the
So
canal.
they used to use it to transport. And them, you know, them old brick what we were walking on.
Yeah.
They're original.
Yeah,
They're the old paths in the.
Because in the 1800s, look,
Yeah.
they didn't have cars.
Yeah, I know, but I thought they'd built the path, you know, so you could walk down, basically.
Yeah.
But they're original. That used to be the walkway to transport stuff.
All right, okay. There you go. Don't say we don't ever give them information when we go somewhere. Although we did find out that the lighting system went in the 1950s. Now, from what I've seen online, the lights weren't turned on today, just your bog standard. There is a lighting system in there, but it wasn't on today because it lights right round the roof. So that'd be nice if we could come one day and the lights are all on, but they definitely weren't today. Just your normal bog standard lights was on today.
So from 1822 to 1950s, there was no lights in that tunnel.
About 130 years.
So they used to transport in and out there with no lights.
They'll have had them little torches on their helmets, what they like miners used to wear.
1800s was batteries invented.
No,
They'd been a candle.
they'll have had a gas lantern, wouldn't they?
Yeah, the gas lantern, yeah.
Maybe.
And they put handrail up in the 1950s as well.
All right, okay. I
So-
appreciated that.
130 years with no handrail.
I wouldn't have gone in it if it didn't have an handrail.
How many people? So that used to be a transport route
How many people have fell in there?
and dropped gold.
Oh, I need to go back down with my magnet. Although, to be fair, if they've dropped gold, my magnet won't pick it up.
You never know what's in there, do you?
Yeah, but my magnet won't pick up gold. It's not magnetic. So I'm going to make a brew and we're going to move
in a
on.
safe.
Didn't have safes in the 1800s stuff. So I'm
They
going to
did.
make a brew and we're going to move on to our next destination
They did.
today, my lovelies. I do need a shop on the way because Gareth definitely needs some lighters. Got no spare lighters. Yeah, the three bridges. That's how you know you're in Edinburgh, the three bridges. A fantastic view of them all together. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can see them on the right side.
So we've arrived at Edinburgh. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a little walk around, aren't we?
Yeah.
And see what Edinburgh's got to offer.
Yep.
I believe there's a Christmas market on. So from reading online, there's supposed to be loads of food on offer, and like, it's not a circus they call it. What do they call it?
Fair.
A fair. There's a fair going on. So we're gonna have a little walk around, but them planes going over this park up is a nightmare, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit.
It's a noisy place, is Edinburgh, and I believe it's going to be so busy there because there's going to be a Christmas market on. So it's not our kind of thing, but we will take you round
We have to take the gator to show it.
and see what's going on. Yes, we have to take Birgitta to
Show her the castle.
show her the castle, basically. So we are going to put an ending on this video, and then we can start Edinburgh with a new vlog. So what are you cooking for my tea for later?
I'm just doing like a sort of a fry up. I need to use these potatoes and these hash browns. So we're having potatoes and hash browns with some bacon grill,
Oh yeah.
eggs, beans. So sort of a fry up.
Cool. I said, did you have any spuds? Because I was going to make myself a corned beef hash.
Not them kind. These are frozen.
Oh right,
They're frozen
okay.
Hasselbacks, so these are no good for that.
Right, okay.
I've got some packet mash if you want to make a hash brown.
Yeah.
I'm making a curry for tonight though, if that helps.
Again,
Well, we're limited to what we have until we go shopping.
corned beef. I want some corned beef.
I've got chicken defrosted now, you see out.
I've got some chicken defrosted.
I have. If I'd have known earlier you went to call me fast.
Yeah. How's your? But while we're putting an end on this, how's your channel going?
It's doing really well, thank you. I really do appreciate all the likes, comments, subscribes, everybody. And if you've not gone over there, what are you doing with your life? Go get on over there.
No, it's not a tout for your channel. I'm
Yeah,
just
I'm
saying,
just
how's your channel going?
It's going alright actually.
Don't be
I'm
advertising
getting over
channels
1K
on
views
this.
on every video, which is good. Thanks guys.
It is, isn't it?
We really appreciate the support on both the channels, guys, to be fair. We've had having lots of comments and interactions, and we've had a few people asking if we... Do you know what we have had? What I will just address on here. We've had a couple of people asking if we get paid for comments and likes. We don't. That's not how YouTube works. But the more you comment and the more you like, the further up the algorithm we're going to get. So we really do appreciate all your comments, all your likes.
We don't know how that all works anyway.
We're not sure, but from what I've been reading online, basically we don't get paid for your comments and your likes.
Just get
but
paid for adverts.
it gets us more in the algorithms. We do get paid for adverts, but I skip them anyway.
Yeah,
That was not at me.
we do get a penny a video, so it does support, 1 mile.
Yeah,
Anyway, so
thank you.
stop touting your channel.
I was just saying thank
We
you
got
to all
another
that-
plane going over. This park up tonight is going to be so noisy, innit?
Can't imagine we're going to stay here all night. To be fair.
Edinburgh is going to be a nightmare.
Edinburgh is a nightmare anyway, innit? So
Right, do you want to do your special ending?
I do. Thank you to everybody. We love you all, old and new, and everybody else. And if you are one of them, bye.
Go suck a toe.
In case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Yeah.
Used to late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drives.
Roll up to the greatest show in the world.